What up? We got an install video coming up on the truck here. Super advanced tutorial. JDM Tsurikawa. If you want to see my unboxing video, just go ahead and check it out here. And the only tool you should need is this screwdriver. And I'm just going to put it up right there. I'm going to hang it off that. Alright guys, so the first step here is to unscrew these two screws, so then we can take the loop apart and then loop it around what we're going to hang it off of. And as I mentioned in the unboxing review, the biggest mistake people make is over tightening this. So, you know, don't over tighten it, guys. Alright, there's the clasp, and then it's going to open up just like that. Then you're just going to fish it through. Just remember how it goes. Ooh, tasty. Alright, so let's loop it through and tighten it up. So we're going to take the loop out, loop it around, and then clasp it in. Super simple. It only goes one way, guys. So loop it in, go like that. Make sure it's lined up with the holes, and then we're gonna hit it with the clasp. And there you guys have it. See? So once again, not too tight. I've got this side facing inside, so I got the, you know, nice looking side facing outside. And there it is. I'll take some more pictures and stuff later on. Super simple. Once again, remember, don't over tighten it. Just tighten it till it's snug, and then it's good. Looks pretty dope. Alright, thanks guys. Peace.